Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, 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 boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free.
Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are doing some cleaning and some light decorating for fall. We are also doing a laundry room makeover, a mini makeover. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. The first thing that we are doing is kind of switching up the family room. I'm going to move the couch around, and then we picked up a new area rug from Target today. I am finding out that buying things online is way harder than it is to just see something in person and know you like it. Like, the colors don't really translate fully online all the time. So I've had some misses with buying area rugs online, and I get it, and the color is just not doing what I thought it was going to do. So I'm just happy that we happened upon this area rug from Target, and I'll put the details in the description box below if you are interested.
Make it boom, 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 boom.
You can call 1,000 times, but I'm not picking up tonight, cause I'm a bit too busy serving all the smiles, having me a real good time with a drink for
the stuff that lives under a couch. We've had the couch positioned this way since we got it home. The couch is from Costco, and it was nice. It left the family room open so you can kind of run back and forth. The kids can run back and forth, and it left it open, but it didn't really speak to me. And then the position wasn't the best for actually watching TV. So we're going to try it like this for a while. So here is the rug, and as you can see, there are colors to match the floor and also match the couch, and another couple colors in there that will allow us to bring in some other accent colors in the room. So I thought it was really pretty, and it's really, really soft. Excited about how this turned out. I love how the area rug looks. I love how the spaces are now a little bit more defined. We do have plans on putting a couple of comfy accent chairs in here, which is why we didn't face the couch directly in front of the TV. And here's a bit of a close-up so you can kind of see the texture and the print and the different colors that are in here. So now we have a few choices of colors to play with, but it's still very neutral. And now here are a couple things that I picked up for fall. I love how these two things are completely different. This one is solid wood from Home Goods, and then this is a little wicker pumpkin from Target. Is that wicker? Is that what you would call that? And I also picked up this candle. This has been pretty popular this season, but it's because it's so beautiful, and I just wanted to add some warmth into our pretty much stainless steel black and dark wood kitchen. And I don't know if it goes, but it's gonna go today.
You're pulling me down like a gravity, so I won't let you into my galaxy.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately.
I picked up a couple of things from Home Goods because we were going to be entertaining. The entertaining actually happened last night while I'm doing this voiceover, but this was filmed obviously before. So this cutting board was one of the things that I was going to use to like serve little appetizer, charcuterie situation. And I have seen people everywhere putting their cutting boards behind the little cooktop thing. So I decided to do that, and also figured that because we don't have our backsplash yet, it will keep from even more grease from splattering on this wall.
What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you.
This hand towel is from, you guessed it, Target. Last year, I actually used it in my apartment last fall. And I am switching out these florals. This is like the next day or the day after that. And I did a Target drive up for these florals. They're like fall colored leaves. And I thought that they would look really pretty in here, bring in some more warmth to the kitchen. And also, once the leaves outside start to change, it will bring like the outside in kind of vibe, and everything will sort of blend together, which I think is really peaceful in my mind. We'll see how it works out. But once I get them in, I just start to play with the configuration. So I landed on having it on this side of the window, and then I'll probably move it around as time goes on, but I thought it looked really pretty. And I ordered some pillow covers, the larger pillows, those mauvey, orangey, brownish colored pillows from Amazon. And I think that ties everything in really well. Now that I have been exposed and you see all of the chaos and mess that lives in this laundry room, this laundry room reminds me so much of my apartment laundry room. The size, how it's set up, the configuration, everything reminds me so much of it. But mostly it reminds me of it because it is chaotic. So I knew I needed to do something, and especially because we took the door off the laundry room in order to actually fit these machines in here. So you walk by, you see this mess. Something needed to be done immediately. And I know that at some point we're going to do a more substantial, like, real makeover, so I didn't want to do too much and spend too much money at this point. So this is the low budget version. I think the entire thing, what I'm getting ready to do, probably cost a little over $50, maybe $60, because the baskets that I'm using, you're going to see in a second, were like $14 each, and that was most of the expense. And the rest of it was just getting my life together and making stuff work, you know? machines are nice and wiped down and clean, I am going to be putting my scent beads and other laundry stuff inside of containers, which is something I never thought I would do, but it really does look so nice. So these containers are from the Target Dollar Spot. All of the little containers and everything are from the Target Dollar Spot, and then the baskets that I'm going to be using are from Burlington. This riser I actually took out of my fall decor box from my apartment last year, and I was like, I can use this for something. So it ended up working out nicely, and I like that I can sit the little cup underneath of that and it will catch all the drippage. So the next thing I'm doing obviously is taking everything off of the top shelf and getting that all organized. I cannot believe how much stuff can actually fit on that shelf. Like, looking back at this, I'm like, what? Where'd all that stuff come from? Like, how did it even fit? So this is so satisfying. I'm just categorizing everything. So the laundry stuff is going in one, straight up cleaning stuff is going in another one, and then like miscellaneous is going in the last one. And even though eventually when I put these up there, you're not going to be able to see these labels, I did just label the tag that came with the basket. Like it came on the basket. And I thought, why not take it off? I'll just use it instead of buying something separate. Next up are the floors in here. I love the pattern on the floors. It's very forgiving, but with that comes a whole lot of mess. So these floors are really dirty, lots of lint and sand from the summer and random scent beads that didn't make it into the washing machine. So I needed to take a little bit of time and get the floors vacuumed up, swept up, whatever. My vacuum died like right when I started vacuuming the floor, so I had to go grab the broom, which always works just fine, and then I'm going to mop the floors, and then that should do it. And we are all done. I love how everything turned out. I have been maintaining it for a little while, and it has been a dream. I love walking by and seeing how nice it looks. I actually went back to the Target Dollar Spot and picked up a couple of more containers for the dryer stuff. So I think that looks really great. And then I added a little plant. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It all